I work in Pelham. We do have some drug issues. We do not come across major busts of large quantities. I do know that they do move through the county, and that does need to be addressed. The county put together the drug task force, which all municipalities participate in. Any drug cases that we make goes through the drug task force, and that should have all the support and instrumentation that it needs to carry out its job.
Well, we are addressing that issue quite adequately, I think, as far as our relationships we have with federal, state, and other local municipalities. The task force being very effective in itself, but the liaison they do in the cooperative effort, they work with DEA and all the other metro area law enforcement agencies. I mean, it was evident by the heroin initiative that went into effect about 2 years ago. We all anteed up people even more extensive than we already had, including prosecutors. We attacked the problem. The problem was pretty much put in its place there for a while. But I've been I had a lot of experience in my former career dealing with drug trafficking, and it's only a matter of time before it reinstitutes in the community, and we need to stay on top of it.
It's not just Shelby County. Drugs are at an epidemic level across the nation. There's, as the Chief said, there's drug initiatives all over the nation that local law enforcement are being involved and invited into. We have to keep that front. We have to keep that positive push to keep drugs as far out of our community as we can. It has to be a primary concern of the sheriff. I think it has to be a concern of all law enforcement, as it is with federal agencies. We have to have a partnership with not only the law enforcement but with the community. To be successful, we have to have eyes and ears in every community 24 hours a day. Education and awareness.
Law enforcement has to be honest with the people that the war on drugs has failed. It's not been effective. The way that the ADECA organization is funding the task force, it started off with 100%. Now it funds 30% of the salary. Law enforcement on the task force finds themselves going after 2-pill deals and single marijuana cigarette deals. We have to be able to have an investigative process to where they can focus on time to investigate, to get to the suppliers, to get to the leads and those, and also bringing in the community, engaging the community. Anyway, that's about it.